Hello, my loves. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. So, we will be doing something a little different. You feel me? I've been getting a lot of questions, like a lot, asking what's some good brushes to use? What brushes do you like to use? So, we're going to do a brush review today. We're going to see how these brushes perform. We're going to do something colorful on the eyes. We're going to use them on the face. You feel me? We're about to do something dope. So, I got this brush set. This is a brush set from Eigshow. Their link will be listed down below. Make sure you check them out. We would basically just be doing our full face using these brushes. So as far as the brushes go, it comes in this really nice box. It has a cover on it. And I actually took these out just to make sure everything was in it, but it came in plastic. Like, this actual case was in plastic, but this is a really nice brush case. Like, I was not even ready, honey. Open it up, it just snaps open, and you got, what? Like, this is so nice, and this material is really nice too. I've been really wanting to try new brushes lately, see what's going on, you feel me? We will be beating our face with these today. They're nice and wrapped up in plastic, as you can see. They also have these little covers on them just to keep the bristles from, like, you know, getting all janky and stuff. You want to keep them together and keep the shape of the brush nice. So yeah, and we got a lot of different kind of brushes here. We're gonna go through them and then we're gonna do our face. Okay, they got a lot of detailed brushes too, so I'm excited. All I did was just take off the plastic covers. So as far as face brushes go, this is what we have. I would definitely use this one for foundation. I already use a brush that looks really similar to this as far as shape goes and density for foundation, so I'm gonna love this. I already know. This one you could easily use to like dust off powder underneath the eye. You could do a little bit of contouring with this as well. This one would be perfect for under the eye just because of how small it is in shape, and it can easily get right underneath where your powder is. So I love this. This one would be really nice for contouring for sure. I actually like the shape of this. We'll see. And then this one you could easily use for blush. I will use this for blush for sure. We have a lot of nice detailing brushes, which I really like, because some sets it's like a bunch of face brushes and then like unnecessary brushes, you know. This set actually is really nice. It has an angled brush for like brows. We got one for detailing. This could be for concealer. Also for concealer, we'll use this for concealer or cut crease too. We have a spoolie. Oh my god, I'm geeked. Yes, for your brows as well. This is like a little compact brush. You can use this to blend your concealer out underneath the brow. I love this for eyeshadow because you can just pack it on, which we will be doing later today. You can use, this is a really nice blending brush, to be honest. This is really nice. It's detailed enough to blend right around where your brow bone is. Ooh, this is nice for concealer. I can't wait to use that. I'll use this for nose contour. You could use this for highlighter or like underneath the eyes again. And then this, oh, that's really nice to conceal around the brows to buff that out. So after all those explanations, in other words, we will be using a large portion of the brushes today. I'm excited. We're gonna get right on into the brows, and I will be using the spoolie brush and this angled brush. Just these two to fill them in. And then I'm going to conceal with this brush because this is similar to a brush that I like to conceal with. And then I'm gonna buff the concealer out around my eyes and my brows with this brush, this compact brush right here. So let's do it. come through brows, period. Okay, now that those are on, okay, and popping, we about to get into this eye. So I'm just gonna prime my eyes really quick using the same brush that I buffed my concealer out with. I'm gonna use my P. Louise base. I'm gonna use my shade number 3 base, and I'm just going to apply this all over the lid for this look we about to do, baby. And I was inspired by Beauty by Bella. I'm gonna link her video down below. She did this really cool like tie-dye psychedelic kind of look to match my hoodie, you feel me? So far I'm obsessed, to be honest. They're working really great. This brush set is super affordable at that, so we love that, you know what I'm saying? I love to save some coin, okay? Because them $3 brushes be adding up, baby. The first part of the look that we're doing today is very detailed, which means I'm gonna use this very thin detailed brush, this angled one, to apply my color starting out. And we're gonna go blue purple. We're gonna go blue purple pink, orange yellow green. So we're starting up here with blue purple pink, orange yellow green. I'm gonna try my best to match the energy of this hoodie. We're gonna go dip into the colors that we need and just keep on using this brush and just pretty much place them in a row. Go all the way around the eye. We want to leave a few gaps. We do want to leave a little bit of some gaps because we're going to go right in between these gaps with another color. We're gonna go in between that blue. Also, it doesn't matter if it's very messy. That's what Beauty by Bella was saying in her video, and I see why as well. It doesn't matter if it's super messy at the moment. We're gonna go back in and blend everything out. Perfect. So now that it's looking real messy and real crazy, we're gonna go in. I did use the deeper purple and blue just to go in between these lighter 2 shades, just to give it a little bit of depth. I'm going to use pink. So I'm gonna use one deeper pink and one very bright pink, and we're gonna go a little bit less than this purple now. So we're going deeper and deeper onto the lid. Cool beans, cool beans. Now we're gonna add our orange, yellow, and green, and we're pretty much just gonna blend these right on top in a row on the lid. We want to make sure everything's blended, everything's looking bomb, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna go back in with this blue and blend it out, make it look less spiky but still keep that going, that little technique that we use. This little angle brush also is like bomb. I just applied every single color and I literally just wiped it off a little bit in between. We're going to use these 2 brushes that's more for like packing on shadows for the orange, yellow, and green. And then we're gonna go in between these shades with this blending brush and just make sure everything's blended up top here and everything. So yes, these 3 now. Okay, now that I'm feeling very much like I just made the exact print that's on my shirt on my eyes, I'm geeked. I'm going to add lashes and we're gonna get into this face. Okay, honey, so the lashes are secure or whatever. Now we're gonna be using our face brushes to apply the face makeup. So first, we're gonna start with just some primer. Okay, so I'm actually living for this brush. It's dense enough to be able to blend your foundation in easily. You don't have to like blend for 20 minutes, you know what I'm saying? So I'm actually living for this, and you can easily get under the eye and in these trickier areas, which I also like. You know, like big foundation brushes, it's kind of hard to get in the smaller compact places. I'm just packing this on pretty much like I would do with a beauty blender. I'm gonna add my concealers. Now that that's all applied, let's get this contour on. We're just gonna apply this like normal, in all our contour areas here. Yes, ma'am. We are going to use this beauty right here. It's compacted like angle brush, and we're just going to start the blending. And I will say that this brush is less dense than the brush that I would normally use for contour, but it's dense enough to still do the job if you wanted to contour with this. Wow, that blends out really pretty. Okay. And see, I can flatten it down and get right around this brow area without having a bunch of crap in my baby hairs, because I don't want my colored baby hairs to be like brown after applying my makeup. I like to be able to flatten the brush down and get in these crevices and these hard spots, like right between the brow and your hairline. With our second contour, our deeper one, right in our cheekbone area. Y'all know I love me a popping cheekbone or whatever, and we're just gonna brush this right on upward into the area of our cheekbone. While that's cooking on up, we're gonna just take our contour shade, and we're gonna take this really nice fluffy brush we got here, and we're going to go right where our cheekbones are and apply that dry right where we just put the cream at. Ooh, that applied nicely. Love it. Nice and smooth. All right, so I'm gonna take this nice rounded smaller brush, and we're just gonna take this bake that I have and just dust that all away. Make sure that's nice and blended off. We don't want any flashback. We don't want that showing in any pictures. So just make sure you blend it all on in. Now we are gonna add our blush, and I'm gonna use my big baby right here, and we're gonna blush her on up right in these cheekbones. So I'm just picking up a little bit of eyeshadow like I normally do. Just apply right on the, oof. Ooh, honey, okay. Okay, yes. We're gonna use some more detailing brushes just to go underneath our eye. You wanna be careful with this. So the smaller the brush, the better it is, and easier to go at, like as far as you can underneath your eye without like poking your eye out. Alrighty, let's add this highlighter. I'm going to use this beautiful brush. I use a brush very similar to this to add highlighter, so this will be perfect. I already know. I'm about to do my Diamond Bomb Fenty highlighter because you already know I gotta glisten and I gotta glow when this flash comes on and these lights go off. We did something very light underneath the eye just because I don't want to overcrowd the underneath of the eye because I want the top to be the main meal, okay? So we just did something very light, just incorporated those colors back in, but like barely. Now let's add some lip gloss, and we're gonna finish this look off, okay? Okay, so my gloss is on. I'm ready to take my videos and my pictures. I'm really feeling these brushes. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. The fact that they included brushes that pretty much you can use every brush in the kit. I don't like when brush sets don't just have like unnecessary brushes. You can use almost every single one of these. I personally would use over half of them on a regular basis, which I really like because it's like, dude, why would I pay for this and I'm only using 3 or 4 brushes out of the set? So I definitely like how they included a lot of like necessary brushes. The bristles are really soft. It doesn't have an odor to them. Love my brows, all the brushes I used on them. My eyeshadow apply easy. My face is not cakey. It's like normal, nice and blended out. So I'm really feeling it. Eigshow really did that. Okay, honey, the link will be listed down below. I'm feeling it, y'all. I hope y'all are feeling this look. I'm gonna go take some videos and some pictures. I just got inspired by my clothes today, so I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. We almost at 100K, baby. is coming, okay? So I will be posting more and more like I have been, keeping up the consistency. At 100K subs, I will be doing a story time on my experience at Aveda Institute, the cosmetology program, and y'all, I'm gonna be spilling tea, okay, sis? So yeah, make sure we get your girl to 100K sub. 100K Debbie Cakes in the building. Debbie Cakes stand up, period, poo. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
Tuxedo.